Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to use your iPhone, any iPhone for that matter, as an Xbox Series S or X controller. Now I have my Series S right here, and I have my Series X right down there, right underneath my iPad. Now I have my iPad streaming the front end of the Xbox Series S and X, well mostly the X right now. And you can see that as I move this little thing right here, the back of that iPad moves too. So it does work, it's actually really cool. It's not the most functional thing, but I'll go ahead and show you how to set it up. Now the very first thing you want to do is make sure you have the Xbox app downloaded on your iPhone. If you don't have it, the process is really easy. All you want to do is make your way over to your app store. Once you're in the app store, you just want to click search. You want to search for Xbox, just like so, and you just want to search for the Xbox app. That's literally this one. Now it's not a crazy big download, it'll just take a couple seconds, so you can go ahead and open it, and once it's totally downloaded, and you won't come into that panel just yet, you'll pretty much come into this panel first. Now once you come in here, it won't take you to the same page that I'm on right now, but it will inevitably. So as soon as you log in, you have to log into the same gamer tag, the same credentials that's on your Xbox Series X or S. And once you do that, it will take a couple of seconds. So kind of go ahead and, wait a couple of seconds and pause the video. But once you go ahead and do that, you'll pretty much come into this panel. Now, once you're here, you're pretty much already almost done, believe it or not. You just need to go ahead and connect your console to your iPhone. So what this basically means is that your console is already connected to a network, and so is your iPhone if you already download the app. So you want to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi connection that your current Xbox is on. And that process doesn't take too long, but if you're having problems trying to find your app, I would recommend Googling and stuff. For me, it wasn't that hard of a process to connect my Xbox One S, Series S, and Series X to my iPhone. But once you have that all set up, what you want to do is locate on the top right of this app, you'll see this little Xbox little thing with Wi-Fi coming off of it. You want to go ahead and click on there. You'll come into this little panel. Now, you'll have a lot of different options. You can also remote play on this device too, which is exactly what I'm doing on my iPad right now. And all you have to do at this point is go ahead and click open remote control, and it'll go ahead and open up this specific thing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and kind of pull up my iPad, I guess. And this is pretty much just streaming exactly what's ever on my Xbox Series X right now. And you will see as I move my little controller right here, it goes ahead and moves my screen as well, which is really awesome. So that's really pretty much the process. This isn't perfect, like I said. If you currently don't have an Xbox Series X or S controller on you, then this is a pretty decent, side way of doing it. If you need to quickly, go through your setup or something like that, then this is a decent way of going about it. Obviously, this is not ideal. I don't think you could play any games like this, but you can go and click home, you can go and click guide, you can go and go through everything you need to, and it's really not that bad of a process. And honestly, for a situation, if you currently don't have your controller with you, then it's really not that bad. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or into any other problems, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.